we said we would never try MSC again.
And here we are today, World America.
The embarkation outside was, man, 2 hours long.
Yeah. And then we got on the ship and staff weren't that friendly.
You say flat out mean. By the time we got to our room, I was pretty sure I was done with MSC.
You ready to go in?
All right, let's see what it's about. It took us more time to walk through the stanchions than did to check in. That was actually pretty fast. Now we're going through security. Trying to put the camera away so I don't get arrested. It is 10:04 and the open doors are 10 o'clock. See, that was a fast check-in. I'm impressed. Now I get to look at the fishes. Makes you feel welcome. Which one you want to do first? You want to do the butcher's cut, or you want to do the...
Start off.
Let's start with butcher's cut first. On Tuesday, yeah. This is deck number 12. We are looking for our room. Let's see if we can find it.
It is not that way.
I think it's this way, if I remember the videos. Yep. Oh, there's a look, man. I turned the corner and our luggage is already there. There was something I told Yacita that she had to find in here. Something I found earlier. So I want her to find the surprise on her own. Oh, get the other camera. Good job.
I'm a good assistant.
Well, thank you. Go ahead, look in there. I want you to see what I want you to find.
Well, see this box up here.
All right. So what's in that box?
It says a room diffuser. Shut the front door. I think this is for Aria, that they actually give you a smell for your room. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, y'all. This is nice. See, look. Yes, because I love me some smell good. Ooh, y'all, this is heavy.
I think we get to keep that.
Oh, this smells nice. Okay, y'all. I'm not going to waste your time. Aria package, there are benefits, even small ones. Okay. Just trying to get your attention. I was stuck until 2 a.m.
Thank you.
You know, it's a strange day when Zaire has more vegetables on his plate than I do.
I do? Oh.
Yeah, you got the salsa and guacamole, and I got fries, a couple wings, and a slice of pizza. Oh, I do have fruit. That's healthy.
I got a jalapeno. Try it with the buffalo sauce.
It is good.
Right.
See what these wings talking about.
This meal is so much better than the first meal we had on the seashore. I got the meat sweats and everything. But right now, my stomach is hurting because I ate way too much food. That's a good problem to have because I've never done it before on MSC.
Now remember you said.
I'll say it, yeah.
Okay. I'm just remembering. I'm just reminding you.
You can't eat it right now.
I can't eat it right now because I'm full. But this is a nice place to come and sit and eat.
The ship on. It's the one photo that you never ever want to have as you come back to the port and you see the ship sailing away without you. I promise you, right? You ain't felt nervous gas until you see the ship pull out from the pier. You farts you ain't never had before. You're like, oh my God. So don't do it. Make sure you make it back on board. All your stuff is here. And we're gonna take you to the next place. So it's very important.
Never see it just back it up, drop it down. Never see it just bow. Here we go. Let me see it just shake it, oh yeah. Just push it, just give it here.
Try the grilled calamari steak. And for dessert, I like the grandma's chocolate cake.
Mozzarella stuffed meatball.
Mozzarella stuffed meatball.
The lasagna.
The lasagna.
All right, babe. Let's rank the appetizer. Before we do, I got a confession to make. I had my phone, helped him get a good picture of it. I ate it too fast. It was really good. I couldn't even do it. So what would you say your salad was? What would you rank it?
I would say it was the 8.
8? Mm-hmm. Man, I had the meatball with the mozzarella stuffed inside of it.
It was a good meatball.
I'm gonna say 9.5. Only because I just don't want to say 10. I can't believe it's a 10 at MSC. That was the most juicy meatball that I've had. Yeah, yeah.
No.
Why do I come to dinner with immature people? Why?
As soon as you said it, I was like, this is not going to go well. It was not going to go well.
I got to try and vlog. Y'all, last year, we were on the cruise and I showed y'all the same thing. I'm trying to vlog and be serious, show y'all the innermost workings of my cruise food. And I got this idiot sitting across from me. That was a good meatball, you know what I'm saying? The next dish is coming out. Oh, you can wave at me. I heard this is the best spot at sea. Now baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son. Oh, that's what we're supposed to be doing? I was going to baptize you in the water right here. Alright, this is the hot and the cold fun. Alright, let's see what we got. I think you say this is Gambu Yoku. Look at the Gambu Yoku beds. It's supposed to be heated and real hot. And look at this weird pillow to lay your head on.
very relaxing. And there's a nice talk.
She said I shouldn't be talking in the gamble yoga bed.
No, but honestly, y'all, the bed is very heated. And you wouldn't think that it would do anything because it's so flat, but it actually is to relax the process.
All right, we're trying the snow room. Against all my better judgment.
The floor is squishy.
It's freezing cold in here.
No, it's good. After being on that table?
I wasn't on that
The
side.
snow room ain't even that cold, bro.
No, it's not.
I would throw some snow at you, but I would eventually lose that fight. So I'm not throwing it.
I could see you right there after you did that.
I would be.
Yeah.
Act like I'm at home.
Yeah, so, all right, let me tell you this backstory. What are you doing? Did she just put snow on me? First of all, I was about to tell him how he terrorized me for 50 years.
50?
Yes, 50. And we ain't even 50 yet, but he terrorized me for 50 years when we were kids. And I was, but I was bigger than him. And we could have had an actually fair fight when we were kids. Now, there's no, I'm not stupid anymore. I'm not doing that.
Feels good though.
You should try. Just reenact. Try it again.
No. Carnival.
Why are you trying to hurt my husband?
This is, are you crazy? This is his wife saying that. No. We're in this spot taking a selfie together. When I saw these couches outside the elevators, man, I was like, wow. That's actually a nice touch. Just to have if the elevator is taking forever, you can have a seat. My mom would absolutely love that. Yeah, so I was impressed by that. So I just had to say that to y'all. We actually going to a secret event tonight. Can't tell you about it. Shh, don't tell nobody. Yeah. Look at where we go. This is where we're coming. We got invited to the speakeasy. So you come to this secret place. I can't tell you where it is on the ship. It's a secret.
And I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
I have to use this word. It's a super word that is only reserved for one cruise line. This is starting to be real fun. Yeah. This cruise is, I'm being surprised.
We would love to book World America for you. We'll put the link down below. For more about this cruise, check out this video. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Peace.